Hello, and welcome to the beginning of your learning journey into the Metaverse. This self-paced course was designed to provide you with foundational knowledge about the Metaverse, including the potential it offers, how it's being built and by whom, and the importance of building it with diversity, accessibility, and sustainability in mind. Course description. In this course, you will step into the Metaverse, uncovering what it is, how to engage with it, and what it means for our world today and into the future. It's organized into 6 weeks of content, divided into 6 modules that include video lectures from professionals and technology experts from around the world, readings, discussion prompts, and quizzes. What is the Metaverse? Module 1 introduces you to the basics of the Metaverse, including the kinds of experiences you might have, the ways in which you can express your identity in the Metaverse, and how people and things will move around in the Metaverse. You'll also explore communication and connection in the Metaverse, what work and travel might look like in the Metaverse, including the ecological implications of both, and what decentralization means in the context of networks. Who is creating the Metaverse? Module 2 introduces you to the architects of the Metaverse, the devices and platforms used to interact with the Metaverse, and the role of game engines in the Metaverse. You'll also explore virtual, mixed, and augmented reality, and get to know some of the creators who are making Metaverse content today. Metaverse Verticals. In Module 3, you'll explore the ways in which the Metaverse is impacting sectors such as learning, healthcare, architecture, marketing and retail, sports, art, and entertainment, and the ways in which each may evolve as the Metaverse grows. Money in the Metaverse. Module 4 is all about money in the Metaverse, including an exploration of blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, and digital wallets. You'll also explore economic trends and opportunities. Metaverse Responsibility. Module 5 explores the ways in which the Metaverse can and must be built with diversity, equity, accessibility, and inclusion in mind. You'll also discuss the importance of safety and security in the Metaverse, how to protect intellectual property in the Metaverse, and the role ethics plays in the Metaverse. How will we build the Metaverse? Finally, in Module 6, you'll look into the possibilities of the Metaverse, identifying future technology and research and development opportunities, as well as exploring the infrastructure needed to build the fully realized Metaverse. This course will take about 10 hours to complete. If you complete all quizzes in the course, you will be eligible to earn a course certificate. Learning Objectives. By the end of this course, you will be able to describe what the Metaverse is. Identify the main players creating the Metaverse. Describe the opportunities, challenges, and implications of engaging with different sectors of the Metaverse. Explain how money works in the Metaverse. Discuss ways to make the Metaverse ethical, safe, inclusive, and accessible. Discuss how the Metaverse will evolve. Prerequisites. The only prerequisite for this course is a desire to learn about the Metaverse.